Ultra-sharp blades. Superior professional level sharpness that ensures precision cutting. The last knife you'll ever need to buy. German-engineered knife informed by over 100 years of masterful knife making. Henckels knives are built to last. Effortless cutting. Enjoy easy meal prep and paper-thin cuts with minimal effort with this lightweight, easy-to-use knife. Set includes 4-inch paring knife, 5-inch serrated utility knife, 5.5-inch santoku knife, 8-inch chef's knife, 8-inch bread knife, 4.5-inch steak knife set of 6, kitchen shears, 8-inch professional honing steel, and hardwood knife block. Quick cleanup. No fuss cleanup, in the dishwasher or by hand. Stain and rust-free blades. Worth the splurge. Henckels knives start out razor sharp and stay sharper longer, even with minimal care. Durable blade. Single-piece, precision-stamped blade construction provides durability. Stays sharp longer. Professional, satin-finished blade boasts precision cutting and is finely honed for long-lasting sharpness. Top reviews from the United States. Super sharp. Excellent price. There is a knife for everything the average cooker would need. I love how sharp these are but not too heavy so that even my daughter, with my supervision, can use one to cut her homemade sushi. These make cutting everything so much easier. They cut through an avocado seed pretty darn easy, so definitely be careful if you have unsteady hands. I love that this set comes with kitchen shears, Korean barbecue anyone? And a sharpener as well, so they stay working just as amazing as time goes on.